So I eat keto, so I'm always looking for low carb options, and I have found a few low carb pancake and waffle mixes online that I think are really good. But really the reason I eat pancakes is because I want it to taste like butter and syrup. So you can also get sugar-free syrup on Amazon. It is very low in carbohydrates. I believe it's 3 grams per serving for this one. So you can smother this on your pancakes or on your French toast or on your keto waffles. And as long as it's sugar-free and low carb, you're still living that low carb lifestyle and it still fits into your keto diet, or specifically into my keto diet, which is why I do it. And this is a brand that I found. It's Vermont, sugar-free, and it's butter flavor. It's also low calorie, which I'm not that concerned about, but it is zero sugar, which is an option that I definitely require. So this tastes really good. It is one of those rare things that when you buy the sugar-free or diet version of it, it pretty much tastes exactly the same as the regular sugary version. This tastes like maple syrup to me, just like any other maple syrup did, even though this one is low carb. So if you are looking for a low carb syrup, here's one that I found on Amazon that I enjoy and that I would definitely recommend.